Here we go, Cruddy. Hey? No. Double sidey for the VS. I mean stator. Yeah, VS stator, whatever. I reckon 2 tips right at the front by both doors. Make them stick up. Straight from the fucking headers down. Straight outside, mate. Like that idea? I reckon that's going to be good. Your radiator exhaust must fucking couple things. I don't know, find a bumper for it maybe. I'd like to put a front bumper on it.
Yo, hard, you got a spare one,
That'd be nice, yeah. I could put that Gangster Stater one on it. I should have, yo. That'd be cool. Anyway, I'll update you what we do.
3.8 man, ready to get fixed. Oh shit, Duck Island. Duck Island. You just went to Duck Island. Stop. Good enough.
Alright, well, Carlos is going to try and sort these wires out because the purple one melted to this red one again, and I don't know if I showed you another one. It was rubbing to this pulley, so don't know if that's exactly how 100% why it's missing, but definitely could be. But I'm going to work on this shitty ass exhaust of it. Pretty sure I remember. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, you see, that's not even bolted on at all. That's why this thing sounds like an absolute tractor mode and sounds like a piece of shite. I think that one's got 1 bolt on it. Yeah, 1 bolt. Oh, one's got 2 bolts. So one side's bolted up. Shot, cuz. Yeah, so I'm probably going to cut this. What the fuck? What have they done there? I really want it to come out either here or probably out here. Is that very structural? Do you reckon I can cut through that? I reckon I can cut through that. Oh, that's my fucking brake lines, isn't it? That's a bit of a mungle with the brake lines there. I think I'm gonna have to,
Hey, it's almost like every...
I didn't really think about that one. I could probably make them come out here, in the middle maybe, behind my door. That could be pretty cool. It could be pretty cool. Or I can make it come out the back. I don't know. I'm deciding. I only know what I come up with. Alrighty, so here's what we've got. Here's Ravdog's little vision here. Take the side skirts off, cut a little bit into there, and we have 2 of them. Either like I kind of want to put them like that, so it's gonna be like right by my ear, right there, obnoxious as fuck, absolutely. Maybe yeah, because the exhaust is probably gonna be straight there, so we'll put it on the angle, bang, like that. Oh, abso-fucking-lutely. I think so. You think so? Double them, mate. Double them both sides. Yo. Oh, absolutely. Let's get to it. Alright, we've got 3 people on the job. So we're just taking the side skirts off. I'm just trying to take this exhaust. What?
I'm here.
3?
I'm the guy.
Who's... okay, right. Alright, apparently. Anyway, yeah, I'm going to take these fucking 10 mils off. 13 mils actually, not 10 mils. Take these off and then should be just that bracket and this whole thing should come off. And then I'm probably just gonna slice them about here and then just make a diagonal cut straight, bang, straight out there. And then maybe cut some of that corner out or something, or cut into there somewhere and then just have it go straight out to here. So maybe cut it through here and then straight around here, through here, and then bang, straight through there. And then up. Bang! I don't know, it's the plan, so let's take it off first and then cut it. It's actually rad shit. So the guy before me that did the gearbox or whatever, he ran the trans cooler lines right in the way.
You know who you are.
Right in the way. How the fuck am I supposed to move them the fuck out of the way now to try and well, I can definitely do this side to be. So that's why the exhaust wasn't fully on the whole way. Not because the owner before you had a shitty ass exhaust set up on it. Anyway, yeah, that's pretty much the idea though. This one's pretty much on, so it's just gonna go boom, boom, straight out there, cars. Beautiful cars. Beautiful cars. Alright, I gotta try and fucking figure this mission out now, I guess. Alright, I can actually see one's I need to move. And one's right there in the way. They fucking left it right there, so yeah, this guy's pretty much done here. Look at that, look at that. Wow. Wow, absolutely. Wow. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna try and like fucking push these middle things up, or just, I don't know, try and squeeze into that gap maybe. Definitely not taking the fucking heaters off. So, I don't know, we'll figure it out. Alrighty, so I think that's almost too perfect. Yeah, so I'm just gonna tack that on there, make sure it's all sweet, and then I'll sort of the rest, the end or whatever later, but yeah, so quickly take that on so I can get that exhaust off, and then probably take the other one, and then we can make a little U bracket to make it go up and stick out. Yeah, that's the idea look we're going for here. So yeah, just need to take it off now, fill that gap in, and yeah, should be fucking primo cars. That's one done. Second one to go. Double sideys, mate, straight out the front. Fuck, she's gonna be gangster as. I'm gonna fucking tack that bitch to there like that, and then I'm probably gonna cut down there to try and match that line, and then I can weld in there, and then yeah, put on that gap. Should be primo, mate.
Yeah, double sideys on with a flexi too. Yeah.
Alright, absolute mission that was, but just pulled those two lines right there through. I'll show you I can actually find the gap. Where is it? Through that gap right fucking there. That little baby gap there, we had to pull both those things through, and oh, anyway, it's done, it's done. They are on the headers, but once we put it on, I think it should be fine. They're still steel lines, but yeah, you have to rewrite those a bit better, but it's alright. Nothing seems to be leaking at the moment, so just leave them up out of the way. We should be on. Wait, hold up. So what happened, Carlos?
I don't know,
Some
must have
motherfucker stood on the plug, and the fucking end of the plug went snappity. So we're gonna rewire this plug up, and hopefully that those wires are big enough and doesn't just fucking.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, because that looks like a pretty beefy plug. But anyway, we'll find out. Just waiting for it to start smoking. Eh? We on? We on?
We have long welder power.
We on? As we hit together, like those wires, thick as, and then oh,
You versus the guy.
oh, we should be right.
I wouldn't be touching that.
It's not warm. It's not warm, so.
Touch the little wire instead on the black stuff.
We'll be on. Start using it. Also, when we use it, really, we're gonna start drawing power.
Watch it, yeah.
We'll see what happens. Alrighty, second one's all welded up. Bingo, bango, mate. Straight from here to straight out here. Bingo, bango, schmang, schming, bang. So, you know, bolt it on right pretty much. Fine tune your bolts. Make some brackets. We should be sweet. Oh, absolutely. Oh, absolutely. There's one. Nah, we'll get it off the fucking wheels. Oh, absolutely. That one's a bit off, but it's alright. It's all good. I really don't care. Fucking absolutely stunning. It's gonna work, mate. Alright. She's ready to see what the fuck it sounds like. You mean? Fuck, I'm so keen. Fuck, like fucking couple hours, but we're off.
That's what we planned for. Planned for a day of it.
See what it sounds like.
We got everything to it there. Wiring, exhaust.
Oh, come on, baby. Okay, this sounds like a tractor. Alright, so we took the spark plugs out and stuff. Yeah, it seems all good. Gave it clean, but I found out one of the leads had like a crack and it was all fucked, so took that out. Yeah, gave it clean. So hopefully, now she's not Mr. Tittle. Hopefully she's not Mr. Tittle. Come on, girl.
Hopefully.
One sweet, one good.
She will.
Absolutely.
She will. She will. She will.
Alright, so we just need to tidy some more stuff up, change this radiator. And fuck, we'll be banging, baby. Absolutely, well and truly. To finish the set off, because, yeah, and then,
Tastes good, then no more till then. To
yeah,
be
pretty much,
safe.
yo.
Can't go wrong sitting. That's what they all said.
Pretty much.
That's when most comedies break here when they.
Oh, we're on. Oh, we're on. Absolutely, well and truly. There's one. And absolutely double sidey. Oh, you gotta fucking love the double sideys, honestly. Could have positioned her on a bit better, but I mean, hey, we're almost skip hair ready, baby. She's on. She's on. Of course, good girl. I don't know what that noise is, but bit of a strange one.
Shout out to who?
Oh, shout out to Surplus, mate. Cyplus, I was fucking saying. That just comes in handy so well, that's what you mean. Do you really like it, guys? Thank you very, very much. Thank you very much. Hope they're gonna sit there and idle. Warm up, girly, alright? Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Bloody weapon. You're coming back out, girl. Yes, we gotta pull this thing and get the front end all properly on and stuff, get it all working. And then, yeah, should be singing, cuz. Cyplus! Get your one! Yee! Oh, I can't believe it. That is just absolutely amazing. Alright, so update. Pretty Skyline bumper on it, so it's gonna have a front bumper. I mean, I don't want to put my good one on it. Can we all just sit here and admire how fucking good that looks? Why does it? What did you call that? A hold sky holding? Sky hold? A sky hold? Straight up sky. I don't even know what the fuck that is, but that looks gangster, cuz. Alrighty. Anyway, we're gonna make this fit a bit better and then I'll let you know. Oh, I had to. 3.9 mang people. I don't know why. I really do like this, hey. I really do. I love it. Yeah, I do. I actually do. Like, I actually do. One sidey. It's got the double sidey cousin, eh? I really like that. I really like that 3.8 mang. What even is it? What would you guys call it? I don't know. Leave your fucking name in the comments. Let me know what you fucking think you want to call it.
I wonder what's turning me on.
What you see in the videos, just like people, like videos, like. Fuck yeah, bro. Party. Oh, one little startup. Alright, we're gonna give this a quick fucking spray white too, because yeah, I still can't even figure out what the fuck that even says, so I think the white on white would look mean. What did I tell you? Learn to fucking learn.